was a couple of years of, I started in PR, moved into production, television production. I was actually on the Highlander. You remember the Highlander TV series? I do. Totally dating myself. But yeah, we had a Highlander TV series. And then I moved into film and television. And we started out, we were one of the first people to have a what we called a new media division. And nice. So it was with John Taplin. And we got a deal with Fox where we were there. So I did TV development, film development. My sort of creme de la creme job was at Paramount, where I had an office on the Paramount lot. And so my job was production all the way from like script development, all the way through production, all the way through post-production. And it was my dream job because that's how I think my brain works. It's like I'm half right numbers. I love numbers, but then I love that creative piece. And so real estate's like that, right? It's all like creative. You look at a building, what's my vision? What's my strategy?